morning, students. In the last video, we have read the poem The Last Bargain written by Rabindranath Tagore. Today in this video, we will see the summary of the poem and we will discuss the question answers also. So at first, we will see the summary of the poem. Summary of the poem Last Bargain by Rabindranath Tagore. The poem The Last Bargain by Rabindranath Tagore opens with the speaker walking on the stone-paved road and asking out to hire him. The poem revolves around three people who offered to hire the speaker. A king proposed to hire him with his power. An old man offered some money, whereas a beautiful lady proposed to hire him with her smile. But the speaker realized that power, money, or beauty are temporary. At the end, the speaker met an innocent child who wanted to hire him to play with him but had nothing to offer. The child's innocence and simplicity were enough to hire him for life. Thus, the speaker accepted the last bargain of the child and becomes a free man. Let us see the question answer under working with poem session. First question, who is the speaker in the poem? Answer, the speaker in the poem is a man who is looking for a job. Second question, the king sword in his hand suggests wealth, power, more power than wealth. Mark the appropriate item in the context of stanza 1. The correct answer here is power. Third one, the old man offered the speaker a lot of money. Why did he turn down the offer? Answer, the speaker realized that money can't give him happiness. Once it is finished, he will be jobless again. So he turned down the offer. Now fourth one, find in the poem lines that match the following. Read both one after another. First one, I have nothing to give you except goodwill and cheer. Second, her happiness was no more than sorrow in disguise. Third one, the king's might was not worth much. Fourth question, first one, which line does it match? The line that this part matches is, answer here, I hire you with nothing. Second one, her happiness was no more than sorrow in disgrace. The line from the poem that matches the lines are, her smile paled and melted into tears. Third one, the king's might was not worth much. The line that matches this part is, but his power counted for naught. Now fifth question, how did the speaker feel after talking to the child on the beach? The answer is, the speaker felt extremely happy and felt like a free man because on speaking this child, he felt that he had struck the bargain for his life. Here we finish the poem, The Last Bargain, both the reading and discussion of the question answer. The poem gives us a moral that money, power, beauty, that all are materialistic things, and it gives only temporary happiness, and if you want a long-lasting happiness, you must get the happiness from inside. You should get the satisfaction within, then only you will get the true happiness. That's all today's session. and in the next video I'll come up with a new topic. Till then, bye.